How to log out WhatsApp from other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out WhatsApp from other devices. Now if you have logged in your WhatsApp on other web, on your desktop or some other PC, and now you want to log it out, then I'll show you how you can do it from your application, from your WhatsApp application. Now it's quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide. First, you want to open up your WhatsApp application. You should get an interface like this. Tap on the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen, and there you can see the option that says link devices, right? You want to simply tap on it. Now here down below under link a device, you can see there is my account is logged in on Google Chrome, and I just logged it in here. Now if you have any other devices that you have logged in on, it'll show it right here on the list. So what you want to do is you want to simply tap on that particular device that you can see there. In my case, I'm logged in on Google Chrome. On Windows, I'll just tap on it, and you can see you'll get the option that says logout. You want to simply tap on logout, and you'll get logged out from the browser. So my account has been logged out now, and you can see under link a device there is no any logged in devices. So this way you can log out WhatsApp from other devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.